you ever. So please enjoy and stuff, because I like stuff, and I also like penguins. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and hatch your first egg. And it's a basic egg, which turns into a basic bee. Okay. Well, I'm happy to get a first bee on the team. Well, okay then. Oh wait, oh hey Astrods. Hi Astrods. Hi. Okay. Where are you going? Up there. Oh, he wants me to follow him. Sure, why not? Well, oh, okay. I'm coming up. Okay. Wait, oh. Did I just get a gingerbread bear? Is that even a thing? Gingerbread man. Gingerbread bear. It could be a thing. Okay. Want me to climb up? Okay, now you want me to leave. Oh. Bear! Oh, you want me to go to the bear? Okay, sure. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna go to the bear. Okay. Ostrich? I thought you wanted me to go to the bear. Okay. Okay, sure. Sure, why not? Oh, ooh, looks like a secret place behind the present. Okay. Wait, this is a maze. That's so cool. Oh, thank you. Jeez. What is this? A ticket. I got 5 of those now. Cool. Okay. Well, I guess let's just get out of here. Okay, Astrods. Let's go. Okay. Now we are out. Okay. Cheese. What? What is that? R. Okay. Sure. Oh wait, you want me to take it? Okay. Real jelly. Transform a bee into a random. We are epic or legendary. That's cool. Thanks. Okay. Wait, look. Ooh. Let's go. Buy an egg here. Sure, I'll buy an egg. I can't afford one though, so get pollen here. I don't have anything to get pollen with. Got a shovel. Yeah, I don't think it's working. I really don't think it's working. Okay. Okay, so I struck shop. Okay, cool. It's a shop. Got my bee behind me. Everything's going great. Except I don't have a shovel. I should have one. I'm just gonna go in the shop. This is some really cool stuff. Wow. Wait, is that another bear? That's another bear over there. And those are some night vision goggles. That's cool. Well, I guess I'm just gonna go out of here. Okay. So, where's your shovel? Well, do I have one? What device am I on? I'm on computer. That's the device I'm on. Wait, where is this? Yeah, I don't think I get one because I don't have any pollen. So, yeah, I'm stuck. Okay, yeah, I have that, but I can't afford anything else. It says I have that equipped. It says I have the shovel equipped, but I don't actually have it. No, I can't afford it. I can't afford anything. Helmets. That's a thing. I mean, like, asked me if I have one. I said maybe because I might have one because it said I have the shovel. For some reason I don't. I still don't. Yeah. Well, I guess I'm just gonna follow it then. Okay. Stand in fields. Let bee pollinate. Okay. Stand let my bee create pollen. Okay. Wait, that's honey. Honey. Wait, what's going on? Cheese? Cheese! As much as I can. Reason I eat honey. So there's a really royal chunk back there. Whoa! I think someone got. Well, I guess I finished. Yay! I have a lot of pollen. I think I might just maybe go back to the store. Yeah, I'm going to the store. Woohoo! Can I buy anything else? I can't afford it. Those must be expensive. I can buy that. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Because I just bought it. This is awesome. I have this now. Yeah! New backpack. I mean, okay. Okay. I can't really afford one though. Only got 100 honey. Which, I don't think that's enough to get a new backpack. What does night mean again? I have no idea. Night means something spawns. Bees something spawns. Okay, your thing got blurted out, so I don't really know what you're gonna say. Okay. I don't really know what to say to that. Okay. That's what I can say. Well, anyways, I think I'm gonna use the royal jelly on my bee. Because why not? I want to have a different bee. Yeah! Bucko bee, what's that? A blue epic. He's so cool. He has a little like horn on the top of his head, and he's blue and stuff. Yeah, newbie. Just got a newbie. Yeah, I did get an epic bee. Yay! Woohoo! Well, I'm so glad we got a newbie. He's so cool, bro. Spike. He's just epic. That's why he's an epic bee. Makes sense. Anyways, I'm gonna feed him because why not? Also, Ostrots told me when you feed them, they gain a level. So yeah, it's done. Well, I guess I'm gonna go collect more because I want a new backpack. Because when you get a new backpack, you get more pollen. Or you can collect more pollen to produce more honey to buy more things. So yeah, if I stick with my only 200, then it's not gonna do so much. But I'm at full right now. So I think I'm gonna head back and turn it into honey. Yoo-hoo! Okay, just finished. Go. I forget his name, B, but wait. Asha just said get a new backpack. Okay. I need a new backpack. Actually, wait. But nope. I don't know. I cannot afford. Can't afford. How much more pollen am I gonna have to collect? More pollen. Okay, I'm gonna follow. They teach it. Climb the fence. I can't climb the fence. I can't climb the fence. Why can't I climb the fence? I'm trying to follow him. Why can't I climb the fence? I think I can just go around. I'm just gonna try. This way. Okay. Oh. Monsters! Oh! Right away. It makes sense. He got overpowered bees. Okay. To the bear. Ho ho ho, yes, it's me. It's okay. Yeah, I can reading this. Okay, what is going on? Why didn't I just read it? Why didn't I just read it? Okay, poop poop poop. Why wasn't I paying attention? Okay. Okay. Bemis equips. Collect 1,000 pollen. Collect 1,000 white red pollen. Collect. I get it. Okay. I may know what to do. Okay. I'm just following Ostrad's. I don't even know where he's going. Ostrad's. Huh. Wait, that's actually really cool. Awesome. Honey, I didn't do any of the work. But I get honey. Honey's so awesome. Anyways, guys, I think we're gonna end up the video here. So subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Be happy, everyone happy.